Alrighty, so this is a tutorial on how to get Athena working. Uh, Basically, if I had to do a lot of research to figure out why it wasn't working and finally figure it out why. So when you download from the workshop, it seems that the relay doesn't come with it. So when you subscribe to it, which this is false information, it should not be subscribed. It's probably it. Anyways, um, I tried subscribing to this, and then I looked in the files, and the relay wasn't in there. You're supposed to have, if you look here, the relay, and that wasn't there. It was just only these files. I don't know if it's because of an older version, but the way how I got this to work was going to Armaholic and downloading this version. I don't think it's the current version of the mod itself, but it works and it should work for you. But this relay is very important because Athena communicates with the relay communicates with Arma 3. It's very important in the process, so if you don't have that, that's an issue. So what I did, came here, downloaded it. It came as a zip file or RAR or whatever. Made a simple file, placed it in there, extracted it. It came with all these features. Now this right here is good to go, but another step that you could take to make it easy on yourself is when you go to your mods, you can do a local mod, and then I already did it. You can go to Athena and select the folder, and it'll be already loaded like a workshop add-on. So using it is very simple. Essentially, when you first have to download the maps or import the maps. The way to do that is you first go into single player editor or any editor, plan a character down, start the mission as the player. Then you take, this should boot up if you did the step here. If you didn't, you're going to have to boot it up from this point. You have to go to app and then start it. Only start it when you're loaded into the mission, like your player spawn. You can see your weapon and you can shoot your weapon, or else it won't work. Then it will boot up to here. Then once you're in game, you'll hit start, and you'll see a notification on your top right in game of Arma 3 pop up, and then you'll have to click this little button here that will show it to essentially start the process of linking the two. So this is going to talk to the relay is going to talk to Arma 3. Now, I did this on the smallest map I could find, which took only like 5 minutes, but on bigger maps, it has a lot of assets that need to be loaded into, such as trees and landmarks and whatnot, and roads, like locations, grid markers, all the good stuff. The cool thing about this application or mod is that you can have it on a second screen, and while you're in game, you can take a quick look to see what's going on with your group, and it's very awesome. And you can also draw. You can make like let's say this guy is where we're starting at, and I need to go this way, and then maybe have eyesight this way. You know, the possibilities are endless. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this will help people, squad leaders especially, because they have to always keep task of where their guys are, and this will actually give you each different groups of who's in or who's with who, I haven't tested it online yet, but in single player it works very fine. The developer is also working on a Windows 10 version, as this one is more likely outdated. But the newest version that he's working on will be able to, you can put it on another computer, let's say like a touch screen that's running Windows 10, and you can pinch zoom, and it has all these additional features, and it's going to be more more good, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.